We've all heard it a million times. Do your own research. It's the eat your vegetables of the crypto world. You hear it so often that it starts to lose its meaning. But what does it actually mean? And is it really that hard to do? In every financial video, they just say it like it's the simplest thing in the world. Today, we're going to break it down. We'll show you exactly what doing your own research entails and share insider tips on how you can spot 100x meme coins before they explode with hype. Cliché of research. Okay, let's imagine you're about to buy a car. You wouldn't just walk into a dealership and buy the first shiny model you see, right? You'd probably check out the specs, compare models, maybe even take a test drive. That's exactly what doing your own research in crypto is like. But instead of checking the mileage or the horsepower, you're checking the tokenomics or the team behind the coin. But I'm not a financial expert, man. How am I supposed to do all this research? Well, that's the beauty of the crypto world. You don't need a finance degree to understand it. All you need is a bit of curiosity and the willingness to learn. Take Dogecoin, for example. Before it became the internet's favorite meme coin, it was just another altcoin in a sea of thousands. But the early investors who did their research saw something more. They saw a strong community on Reddit, a dedicated team behind the coin, and a unique use case that set it apart from other coins. And guess what? Those early investors are now laughing their way to the bank. Now, don't get me wrong. Doing your own research doesn't just mean reading a few articles or watching a couple of YouTube videos. It means really digging deep into the coin. You have to understand the technology behind it, the problem it's trying to solve, and the team that's working on it. Crypto analysis. Okay, so let's come to the point and break down the 3 types of analysis you'll need to master to find your 100x meme coin. And we're going to take the same car example. First up, we have technical analysis. This is like checking the mileage on a car. It's all about studying past price movements to predict future performance. Think of it as looking at a car's history report to see how it's performed in the past. You wouldn't buy a car that's been in a dozen accidents, right? Similarly, you wouldn't invest in a coin that's had a rocky price history. While technical analysis is important, it's not the be-all and end-all. The second one is sentimental analysis. This is like reading reviews about the car. You try to understand the general mood, or you can say feelings, towards a particular coin. Just like you'd read reviews before buying a car, you should gauge the sentiment of the market before investing in a coin. Are people excited about it? Are they skeptical? These are important questions to ask. Sentiments can be subjective, so take them with a grain of salt. All right, next, the fundamental analysis is like checking under the hood of the car. It's about evaluating the actual project behind the coin, its team, and its progress. Just like you check the engine of a car before buying it, you should check the fundamentals of a coin before investing in it. Is the team experienced? Is the project solving a real-world problem? A pro tip here is don't get so caught up in the analysis part that you forget to trust your gut. Just like buying a car, sometimes you have to go with your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. The art of research in crypto. All right, now that we've got the basics of crypto analysis down, let's move on to the real meat of the matter. Where do you start your research? Well, there are 4 key areas you should focus on. Tokenomics, Premium, team, and social media presence. Tokenomics tells you how the coin works, how many tokens there are, and how they're distributed. It's like looking at the floor plan of a car before you buy it. You wouldn't buy a 2-seater if you have a family of 5, right? Similarly, you wouldn't invest in a coin with poor tokenomics. Pre-mine is the number of coins that are mined before the coin is publicly launched. Think of it like the initial stock of a car at a dealership. If the dealership has too many cars in stock, it might be a red flag. So similarly, a high pre-mine could indicate that the team is holding a large number of coins, which could lead to a dump later on. The team is arguably the most important factor to consider. Just like you'd want to buy a car from a reputable manufacturer, you'd want to invest in a coin with a competent and transparent team. Do they have experience in the crypto world? Have they worked on successful projects before? And in today's digital age, a strong social media presence is a must for any successful coin. Nobody wants to invest in a coin with a poor social media presence. Here's another pro tip. Don't just rely on one source of information. Use multiple sources to get a holistic view of the coin. Check out forums like Reddit, follow influencers on Twitter, well now X, join Telegram groups and read white papers. That is a must. Fair price issue? Okay, the next big question is, how do you determine the fair price of a meme coin? I mean, how do you know if a meme coin is overpriced or a steal? You definitely want to get the best deal, but you also don't want to pay more than what it's worth. So how do you strike that balance? The first step is understanding the concept of market capitalization, or just market cap for short. It's calculated by multiplying the current price of the coin by its total supply. So, if a coin is priced at $1 and there are 1 billion coins in supply, the market cap would be $10 million. It's worth noting that just because a coin has a high market cap doesn't mean it's overpriced. And just because it has a low market cap doesn't mean it's a steal. This is where the concept of value comes in. It's what makes your coin worth buying. So a coin with a high market cap might actually be undervalued if it's bringing a lot of value to the table. Let's say you come across a meme coin with a total supply of 1 billion tokens and a market cap of $1 million. To calculate the fair price of the coin, you would divide the market cap by the total supply. So, $1 million divided by 1 billion gives you a fair price of 2001 per coin. Anything above this could be overpriced, and anything below could be a steal. Finding 100x meme coins. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. How do you find 100x meme coins before the hype? Well, first of all, you need to check whale wallets. In the crypto world, a whale is someone who owns a large amount of a particular coin. And by checking their wallets, you can get a sense of what coins they're investing in. It's like peeking into the garage of a car enthusiast. You wouldn't expect to find a beat-up old sedan, right? So if a whale is investing in a particular meme coin, it might be worth taking a closer look. Next, you need to check liquidity. A high liquidity means that there are enough buyers and sellers in the market, which makes it easier for you to buy or sell the coin without affecting its price. Lastly, let's not forget about hidden signals. These are like the secret handshakes of the crypto world. They're subtle signs that could indicate a potential 100x meme coin. It could be a sudden spike in trading volume, a positive news article, or even a tweet from a crypto influencer. We all know what happened when Elon Musk tweets. Bonus segment. All right, for those sticking with us till the end, we have a bonus segment for you. We've done the hard work and found some underrated meme coins for 2024 that could potentially go boom. Number 1, Dogeverse. Dogeverse. This is the first truly multi-chain Doge token, promising interoperability across major blockchains. Buying and claiming Dogeverse tokens during the pre-sale phase is easy. Could this be the next Doge-inspired coin to explode ahead of Doge Day? Number 2, Solana, Seal. This is a brand new South Park-inspired seal-themed SOL meme coin. It's the ideal coin to buy in the pre-sale ahead of the expected summer meme coin frenzy. Number 3, Vinerai, Y. This is an infinitely upgradable AI meme coin with modular technological capabilities. Huge staking rewards are available every day during the pre-sale. Number 4, Sponge V2. This is a trending meme coin with P2E utility and staking rewards. The price is up 10x in the past month, and there are some rumors of a Binance listing. Number 5, Smog. Smog. You can buy and hold SMOG to generate and earn airdrop points. 35% of the supply is reserved for future airdrop rewards. Remember what we said earlier about checking whale wallets, analyzing liquidity, and looking for hidden signals? Well, these coins are showing all these signs right now. And that's a wrap. I know what you're thinking. Is he going to say it? Is he going to tell us to do our own research? Well, not today. Because after this video, I'm pretty sure you know what to do. So, what are some meme coins you've got your eye on? Or have you already found a hidden gem that's on the rise? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on top DeFi lending platforms you need to know as a beginner. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.